What's going on, people? It's your boy Nova. I'm back with another video. Fits on a Monday, but it's actually Sunday. Yo, obviously it's not this. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be doing the boom, whole fit, everything. First of all, hope everyone's good. First of all, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Drop a like. Comments down below. Simply, oh yeah, you like that? Yeah, me too. Alright, cool, thank you. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments as well. What guys I should go next. Yeah, simply enough. Today, I did shower. I'm gonna shower now. Then I'm gonna wrap up, clean up, come down. Yeah, we're gonna see new clothes, new trainers. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's obviously you see the previous video, if you haven't already seen the fits on a Monday.
Yeah. So let's just get this one.
It's been a long time since that one, you know what I'm saying? We've had some things going on and we didn't have any clothes. But now we do, so without further ado, let's I'm here, we're gonna just jump straight into it. I'm in a rush, people are rushing me, oh my god, time. Black people time, and I'm gonna be late, it's alright. So let's just boom, alright, cool. So as you can see, these are overalls. Now I think it's time we do top t-shirt. Because how it is I'm gonna go overalls, t-shirt, hoodie, strap it up, and trainers. So okay, so that's that. Now let's put on the okay, boom. Alright, so this is my corner label Supreme, my corner box logo Supreme hoodie. I did it from FW18. So was it 18? It's either FW18 or SS18, one of the two. If you don't know what that means full winter season 18, spring summer season 18, spring summer 18. Alright, cool. I'll call this in. Never worn overalls, well, not since I was like 5. So I'll show you if I'm like doing it right. Button these up on the side. There's a lot of buttons in this. There's a lot. Alright. Boom. So yeah, double Nike, double swoosh Nike overalls. Supreme hoodie, Supreme t-shirt as you saw underneath. Now it's time for the shoes, so wow, okay. Boom, get that out of the way. Alright, these look clean, oh my god. If you haven't seen the video for these already, little preview here. While I go put the chair out of the way. So yeah, that means this is basically it, obviously. Boom. So let's go. Supreme Air Max Plus TN, obviously with Nike. Nike double swoosh overalls, found on size. You can get these on Collect. Supreme corner label hoodie from 2018. Don't know what season. I'll put it there. You can get that on Collect as well. Yeah, this is the fit, guys. Obviously. Tell me what you think. I think it's kind of hard. I didn't even see myself in here. I'm bare gas. Pockets as well. I got a hat as well from the. Okay, I'm trying to grab it. No special transition this time. Only red to match the crepe. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all Supreme around here. But yeah, obviously I haven't actually seen myself yet, guys. So let me know what you think. Remember, drop a like, comment, subscribe. That good stuff. Let's have a round of applause. Ladies, gentlemen, round of applause. Thank you, everybody. I want to thank you all for joining. If you liked it, you know what to do. Next one coming soon. I've got a whole haul coming soon. Clothing, my recent purchases and stuff. So stay tuned, post notifications. I'm talking too much, I'm waffling. Out!